Hello, good morning to everyone. I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher in Suraj School, Mehendagaon. Today our topic is force. Force is defined as, in earlier classes we studied that to push or pull anything is called force. But now the product of mass and acceleration, the product of mass and acceleration is called force. It is denoted by capital F is equal to mass into acceleration. This arrow represents that it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. So, to push or pull anything is called force, but mathematically the product of mass and the acceleration is called force. F vector is equal to m vector into a vector. A vector represents that it is a vector quantity. Here we studied that force is equal to mass into acceleration. F vector here is force. Then SI unit can be written as SI unit of mass, SI unit of force can be written as SI unit of mass, kilogram, SI unit of acceleration, meter per second square. But also we can say that kilogram meter per second square is equal to Newton. So SI unit of the force is Newton and it is denoted by capital N. This is the SI unit of force. Now, types of force. Generally, we have to study that first is balance force. First is balance force. Balance force, it means that if resultant force or total force acting on a body, if resultant force or total force acting on a body is 0, then it is said to be balance force. It is said to be balance force. For example, if there is a object 5 Newton is here, 5 Newton is here, 5 Newton is here and 5 Newton is here. Magnitude on is same but direction is opposite in each case. Up or down or right to left directions are opposite. So here total force is equal to 0, then it is said to be balance condition. It means that it does not move. Now unbalanced force. Unbalanced force. If total force or resulting force acting on a body is not 0, then it is called unbalanced force. Then it is called unbalanced force. If total or resulting force acting on a body is not 0, then it is called unbalanced force. Some other types is also here. One is contact, another is non-contact. So contact force. when the force when the surface of two bodies are actually in contact, then force comes to play is called contact force. Example: frictional forces and muscular forces. Example is frictional forces. Friction is only takes place when two bodies are actually in contact, and muscular forces when the muscles are in contact. This force is known as the contact force. Non-contact force. The force comes in play when two bodies are not in contact or away from each other, then it is said to be non-contact force. The force which comes in play when two bodies are not in contact or there is far away from each other or is a separation between them, then it is said to be non-contact force. Example: gravitational forces, electromagnetic forces. These are the example of non-contact forces. Thank you. Have a nice day.